Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start a very important topic, that is passive voice. Active to passive. This topic is so important. Inshallah, even if in your future you appear for different types of competitive examination, this topic will be very useful for you. So inshallah, today we are just going to see the introduction of passive form in short. You can see here it is the standard formula for active voice, where verb is changeable and verb comes with first form, with changed forms, and subject comes before it, object goes after it. And here in passive form, object becomes subject, subject is joined to the sentence by, and verb is always in third form. So this thing you will find common in all passive form. V3 and subject will become object, object will become subject. And what will change according to the sentence? This form of B will change according to form of V. If B is in first form in active voice, we use the first form of B, that is MR, in passive form. If the V is in second form, we use was where, that is second form of B. If the V is third form, we use B, the third form of B. If the verb is in ing form, we use be form of B. If the verb is in third form, here we use be third form of B. And if there is modal auxiliary here, we use be in place of B. Now let us try to see practically. You can see here, I play cricket. Now common changes that will occur in all sentences are object becomes subject. So hockey will become here subject. And third form of verb will be used, and the subject will be connected to sentence by me. Point out this. It will remain same in all tense forms. Second sentence, object becomes subject, hockey. Third form, played by me. You can see in all sentences this remains same. Again here, subject becomes object, hockey, played, third form of verb, subject connected to sentence with by me. Next sentence also, you can see it is same in all types of sentences. Here also, subject becomes object, hockey, third form of verb, played by me. Subject played by me. Now here hockey, third form, played by me. You can see in all sentences it is common. So whenever you change from active into passive, subject becomes object, third form of verb is used, and subject is connected to object by. Now what changes? What changes is here form of B. Here is MR was will be used, and that will be based on the form of verb here. Here play is first form, so here you will use first form of B, and what is the first form of B? Is MR, so is will be used. Here the verb is in second form, so here in place of B you use second form of B, that is was where. Here modal auxiliary is used. You can see here modal auxiliary. When modal auxiliary is used, what do we use? The same modal auxiliary with be. So here we will use will be. Here what form of verb is used? Ing form. And what is the ing form of be? Be. So in place of be, we write here be. And accordingly helping verb is used. M becomes is. Why? Because we cannot use M with hockey. Next you can see it is third form. So verb is in third form. So here you will use third form of be. And what is the third form of be? Be. And accordingly helping verb will be used. We cannot use have with hockey. We use has with hockey. So you can see whenever you change from active into passive, this part will remain same in all sentences. Object becomes subject, third form of verb is used, and the subject is connected by by. Object B3 by, object B3 by. What changes is only B, form of B, and that form of B is also changed according to the form of V. You can see a first form is used, so first form of B is used. Second form is used, so second form of B is used. Modal auxiliary is used, will be used. ING form is used, being is used. Third form is used, being is used. So in this way, you can change all tense form into passive from active. Inshallah, from the next day, we will see each one by one. It was only the introduction. I hope you understand. Thank you very much for watching. Inshallah, we will meet in the next lecture. Till then, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.